Mustylevo.com review: Is this online store legit? If you've come across mustylevo.com and aren't sure whether it's a legitimate online store or potentially a scam, this review will walk you through what the site appears to offer, important trust indicators to check, and whether it seems safe to shop from before entering personal or payment information. Mustylevo.com presents itself as an e-commerce website selling products, often including fashion items, accessories, gadgets, or lifestyle goods. The idea of attractive prices and a wide product selection can be enticing, but looks can be deceiving if the site lacks key trust factors. Getting started with mustylevo.com usually involves browsing product categories, selecting items, and proceeding to checkout with an account or guest purchase option. A clean layout and easy navigation can make shopping feel simple, but a nice design alone doesn't guarantee legitimacy or reliability. One of the first things to check with any online store is transparency. Legitimate e-commerce sites provide clear contact details, including email or phone support, a physical business address, and comprehensive terms of service and privacy policies. If this information is missing or vague, that's a sign to be cautious. Payment security is another major factor. Trusted websites use secure payment gateways and display SSL encryption, a padlock icon in the browser's address bar, to protect your financial information during checkout. If payment methods are limited, unusual, or lack security indicators, that can raise a red flag. Customer reviews also offer useful insight. Authentic reviews tend to mention specific experiences like delivery times, product quality, and customer service interactions. Generic or overly positive testimonials with little detail make it harder to determine whether the store delivers as promised. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, mustylevo.com may make a good first impression with a clean layout, clearly organized product categories, and SSL encryption that helps protect your payment information during checkout if it's present. An easy-to-navigate interface can make shopping feel straightforward. On the downside, the cons focus on trust and verification, limited or missing information about business ownership, a lack of reliable third-party customer reviews, and unclear or absent shipping and return policies are warning signs worth noting. When customer support isn't easy to find or responsive, resolving issues after a purchase can become difficult. In summary, while mustylevo.com may look like a functioning online store at first glance, the lack of transparent business details and limited verifiable feedback suggest you should proceed with caution. If you choose to shop there, protect yourself by using secure payment methods and seeking additional reviews or information to confirm the site's legitimacy before submitting sensitive data.